This beetroot was grown without soil, in sand, and it's about to change everything you know about aquaponics. For years, aquaponics has been the gold standard for sustainable food production. But what if I told you there's a system that's simpler, cheaper, and can grow things aquaponics can't? Welcome to Sandponics, and it might just be aquaponics on steroids. Traditional aquaponics requires separate mechanical filters to remove solid waste, biofilters to convert ammonia to nitrates, and complex plumbing to connect it all. It's effective, but it's complicated and expensive. Sandponics changes the game with one simple material, sand. The sand acts as both your mechanical filter and your biofilter. No separate equipment needed. The microbes and beneficial bacteria do all the heavy lifting right in the growing medium. Fish waste enters the sand bed through the furrows, gets trapped and filtered mechanically, and beneficial bacteria colonize the sand particles, converting ammonia into plant-friendly nitrates. 3 functions, 1 medium. Let me show you how we built our system from scratch. First, we filled our grow beds with sand, but not just any sand. The sand must be carbonate-free because carbonates affect pH balance. We test this by adding white vinegar. If it bubbles vigorously, the sand fails. Our washed river sand passed perfectly. We also test for clay and silt by shaking sand in water and letting it settle. Clay and silt show as distinct layers above the sand. Clean sand means better drainage and root health. Next comes the critical step, creating ridges and furrows. Plants go on the raised ridges, keeping crowns dry, while roots reach down toward moisture. Water flows through the furrows every few hours, irrigating and fertilizing in one go. This design gives roots both aeration from above and hydration from below, the perfect balance. Here's where Sandponics truly shines. Remember those traditional aquaponics systems with clay pebbles or gravel? They can't grow root vegetables properly. The medium is too loose, the roots can't develop, and you're limited to leafy greens and fruiting plants. But in Sandponic, we're growing potatoes, beetroot, carrots, and onions, all thriving in the dense, stable sand medium. That's a complete game changer for food diversity and nutrition. Efficiency is another huge advantage. Traditional aquaponics often runs pumps 24/7 to keep water circulating. Our Sandponics system, the water pump runs just 4 hours per day on a timer. That's a massive reduction in power consumption, perfect for off-grid living or reducing operational cost. And the plants? They're thriving. We're growing tomatoes, brinjals, cucumbers, lettuce, spinach, and those incredible root vegetables, all in the same integrated system. The fish are happy, the plants are productive, and maintenance is minimal. The beneficial bacteria colony in the sand does most of the work for us. But here's what makes Sandponics a true closed-loop food system. The fish aren't just workers, they're harvest too. We stock our tanks with tilapia, catfish, or other edible species. They eat, they produce waste that feeds the plants, and every 8 to 12 months, they reach harvest weight. That means fresh, protein-rich fish alongside all those vegetables. You're not just growing produce, you're raising your own sustainable source of animal protein. One system, complete nutrition. From seed to plate, sand to table. It's a complete food production ecosystem in your backyard or farm. Research from institutions like North Carolina State University and universities in Egypt has shown that Sandponics systems can actually outperform traditional aquaponics in biomass yield. Studies found that Sandponics produced up to 40% more biomass than deep water culture aquaponics systems. The sand provides better nutrient retention, superior bacterial colonization, and more stable pH levels. Water usage is incredibly efficient too, ranging from just 1.5 to 2 liters per square meter per day. In water-scarce regions, this is revolutionary. Sand is abundant, recyclable, sterilizable, and cheaper than soil. For arid regions facing food insecurity, Sandponics offers a viable path to local food production. The proof is in the harvest. Sandponics isn't just an alternative to aquaponics, it's an evolution. Simpler design, lower costs, less power consumption, superior filtration, and the ability to grow everything from leafy greens to root vegetables. That beetroot we showed you at the start, it's just the beginning. Whether you're a backyard grower, a commercial farmer, or a community looking for food security solutions, Sandponics might be exactly what you've been searching for. Ready to start your own Sandponics journey? The future of sustainable food production is here, and it's built on sand.